My best friend, Miss Donna, bought for me some plants.
They need your tender, loving care.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, I love it. Wow. I did not expect that much. I expect only this one.
Oh, no,
I really,
no.
really appreciate. Okay.
I need the bucket back, though.
Thank you so much. I like this one.
Now, I would
Yeah,
just...
that,
but that's called a sansevieria.
yeah, this is the snake plant. The snake plant
Yeah.
produce the oxygen. So it's
Oh, yeah.
they says that for the indoor plant this is the best choice.
Off, because this is just taking energy away from the plant. And I would cut this off right here too. If you got
So
some scissors.
from here only the baby is coming up.
This is another little baby coming.
Then
That's
I don't
another-
want to cut this one.
Well, but I would cut it here. So
Oh, then from here
the
also it can come
energy, so that the energy will go to that.
Oh, then if I cut this one, I want to save this one. I want to
I'm not going to cut that one. You can do whatever you want.